my name is Mariflor B. Moticalvo. Today I will demonstrate how to perform float operation, which is create, read, update, and delete using MongoDB Compass for our NoSQL database lab. So let's get started. So diri nag-download ako MongoDB window, which is ang katong Compass ara, tapos ang katong MSI. Yes. Then karon nakabuhat na ko, naka-install na ko. So dito sa diri So first we need to create our database. So I will click you will going to create database. So for database name, mas yung sa lang imong gusto i-enter sa kuha is NoSQL under the growth of the standard lab. For the collection name, I use here students. Then I click create database. So pwede tayo mag-add upuan. Ano dili dira? Mag-add og data which is a student. Here, kita mo ni. So add data. So pag add na tong data, select na tong insert document. So i-paste na to ang details for tayo sa kuha example. 3 students including their student ID, name, courses, and year level. So, insert na, nag-click na ko na insert document, and then, I create like this. Tapos i-paste na ko. So, naka-create na ko. Tulong. Then, so we going to apply with the code, which is first is read. So, i-try na to. For the read, I will click the find button. As you can see, all the 3 documents are displayed here. Pero, kung pwede ka ano ba tawag dito? Mag-focus lang ka or isa lang ka database or isa lang ka document ang gusto nimo ma-read or ma-display. So, as a filter, wala diri ang tayo kani find file. So, nara nilabas siya kasi student ID man. So, gusto ko ma-change ang iyahang kuan. Ma-change iyahang student ID. Kasi student ID man na to ang pangita. So, here, we have here, na-read na niya. So, na-apply ang read. Then, for update or modify the data, so, pangitaon na tong icon pencil or edit pencil. So, this is the update operation. I will change the year level of one of the students. So, I click the edit icon here. Then, I will change the year level of one student. And mag-edit ko this document. Change that to year level from 1. Buta na to siya sa 2 and click update. So, update document. Refresh na to. Here, so nakita na to diri na nag-update siya. Pero pwede po na to siya i-find. Dito na to siya sa find. Pwede to i-click on find again to verify that year level has been successfully updated. Pero para sa kuha, okay naman itong na-refresh button or click na lang. So next is delete or to remove data or how we going to remove data. So, iris na to ni siya. Dapat clean ato ang scan filter. Tapos, click na tong find para ma-view tanan or tanan kung kabo data here. So, for delete, finally, let's perform the delete operation. So, I will remove one student record using their student ID. So, i-click na to ang delete icon and confirm the action here. But first, ang iyon ginako kanina, find na to kay gusto ko isa lang. So, kani, here, the trash icon, delete. So, i-delete na to ni siya. Now, nakabutan siya delete. Pwede tayo. Okay. Now let's refresh. Oh, as you can see, the record is gone and only two students remain in correction. Tanaw na to continue. Pero, here, so nawala this IT, year level 2. So, that concludes my demonstration of operation of MongoDB. We have successfully created a database, inserted and retrieved data, close update, record, and the last one is the to delete a document. Thank you for watching. That's all. Bye bye.